So I'm Matteo Di Fulvio, CTO and co-founder in Addyx. Addyx is a startup that developed and patented and now producing water-soluble expanding mandrel for the production of hollow, complex-shaped composite component. Here at JEC 2023, we will present the carbon exoskeleton. The carbon exoskeleton is a system of topology-optimized long fiber composite ribs, which is possible to be manufactured by our WSM170, which is our water-soluble expanding mandrel. So basically, you can fill with long carbon fiber, pre-impregnated long carbon fiber, the gaps and the path on our WSM170. Then you can wrap with the external skin, closing this in the mold, and during the consolidation in autoclave or autoclave, the internal ribs will perfectly bond to the external skin. So thanks to this novel paradigm for topology optimization, it's possible to save up to 30% of the final weight of the component, saving also manufacturing time, lamination time, and pre-preg. The save on the final component in terms of cost is up to 50%. And the benefit in terms of lightweighting is up to 30%. The consolidation process with the WSM170 in autoclave or autoclave allows to select your own cycle temperature and pressure. So you can give your desired pressure to the component at the desired temperature.